So welcome. In this video, we're going to check out the best Linux desktop distribution out there. We'll start by Ubuntu. After, we're going to check out Arch Linux, then FreeBSD. It's not really a Linux distribution, but I think it's a very powerful operating system. Then we check Elementary, OS, and finally Fedora. We're going to do 5 steps for each. We're going first to fetch the operating system, install it in a VirtualBox, play a bit with the file explorer for each distribution, inside Chromium, and try to play a 4K video from YouTube. So let's get down to it. First, we need VirtualBox because it's not in this computer yet. So let's just Google VirtualBox, download. We have the main website here, blah, blah, blah. So let's search for macOS, see the same website. This one. It's done the loading, now we're opening it. So we're now installing VirtualBox for macOS. This one. So now this is VirtualBox installed. Let's double check if it's installed. Yeah, it's working fine. So now we're going to start a new guest operating system. So let's start by Ubuntu, call it Ubuntu. Detected I said Linux, that's really cool. So it's Ubuntu 64. We have a lot of RAM in this iMac, so we can assign 8 GB. We're going to create a virtual disk image. We continue to locate it. Ubuntu, 8 GB is enough. So now we need to download the installation image for Ubuntu. So we're going to look for Ubuntu desktop images. So this should be the last version. Let's just double check by going to the main website. Download. Ubuntu desktop is where we were before, so we can download it. Sorry, we're not going to contribute today, maybe later. Wow, 1.4 gigabytes. So I'm going to speed up this part of the video, so I'm just going to wait and speed it up. So the download is done, so let's try again VirtualBox. So VirtualBox is here. Hopefully it's going to prompt us again for an image. Maybe not. So no bootable medium font system mounted. So we need to mount somehow the new image to this virtual machine. Maybe this thing, live CD, DVD. Okay, let's try. on your image. Yes, that's what was needed. So let's restart. It should start with the Ubuntu image we should download. Oh yeah, it's doing it fine. Let's always capture the mouse. So now Ubuntu 16.04 is starting up. So let's install it in English. You need at least, so we need to shut down the virtual machine and make the virtual hard drive bigger. So let's shut it down. Let's get back to it. So it should be storage. I wonder how we can make it bigger. Setting maybe. This is the RAM, I guess. We have enough RAM. Let's boost up to CPU. We have 8 thread on this one, so we should be good. I'm not finding the actual size of the hard drive. Let's try to remove it and create a new one. See. Fine. Create. Let's give it 15. Ubuntu 2. Create. Okay. Let's try again. Some process is booting up. Yeah. Ubuntu 16.04. Hopefully this time it won't complain about the size of the hard drive. It kind of sucks that VirtualBox recommend you 8 GB when it doesn't work with 8 GB for Ubuntu. Should make at least 10, I guess. Yeah, let's do this. If you manage to connect to the internet, yeah, let's do this too. Doing some third-party software. The most important thing will be the graphics for us. It might be able to download the VirtualBox GPU integration, and it can make the interface very smooth. Let's continue. We didn't need encryption because we're just going to play with it. So just erase this and Ubuntu. There's nothing on it. We don't care. Blah, blah, blah. The following portion are going to be formatted. This is the hard drive we just created. So this is fine. We are in the US. Can we pick up Boston? Whatever. Let's in. Okay. Make a dummy password. No, it's installing. Let's try to make it full screen. All right. Now it's like installing the system. Kind of like this kind of very verbose output can be really helpful than to have like just having the progress bar can be okay, but sometimes you want to see what's really happening, and this is way better than having just the progress bar. So far the installation is very smooth, I would say. Like, we didn't have any big issue about the VirtualBox, this size being too small for the actual Ubuntu, despite them having Ubuntu preset for like VirtualBox. But this is not Ubuntu 4, this is like VirtualBox shortcoming. So it's installing fast, I would say. Yeah, Flash plugin, Firefox, restart now. Seems to take a long time to start again. Maybe you get confused because you still have the images of the installation image for Ubuntu. Seems to crash. Still don't seem to do anything. So while I was away, it finally rebooted, but it seems to be no. I was going to say it seemed to be frozen, but it's actually working. So let's log in. Still a bit slow for that powerful computer. So first thing first, let's check out the file manager. If he wants to open up. All right. Still very laggy. I believe we need to install the guest edition for VirtualBox. So let's do that. Run. This wasn't before. All right. Let's wait for the guest edition usually contains GPU driver, so it should boost up the speed of the VirtualBox. So now it wants to be rebooted, so let's do that. Done, reboot. All right, so we're back in. So let's check out the file manager. Oh, no, it's very laggy. Let's open up picture. No example. Trash. Videos. Downloads. Documents. Very empty. Water. Oh, that's cool. Very, very laggy. Let's try to fix the lagginess. Probably should shut down. So we don't care about this data, so we can just do a very aggressive shutdown. So let's check the setting for these virtual machines. We're going to give us more memory. I don't think that's the issue though. We can give him like half of the machine. I don't know what it is, but it seems. Let's give him max memory. Enable. Let's enable. Twice. Check. To work. So let's try to put again. Hopefully this time it will be faster. Feel faster. Let's see if it's actually to be hungrier. Sound is working, so it's cool. Ah, it's still very laggy. Doesn't want my food. Ooh. Yes. Let's try to rinse, I guess. Guess it's already there. Let's try to reinstall it. Because it's still very laggy. Ah, no, that's not so much. I will reinstall it anyway. Maybe did it properly detect the VirtualBox GPU or something. I think it's kind of useless, but let's do it. Let's reboot it. Yeah, I feel it's fast now for some reason. So I think the GPU stuff kicked in at some point. Or maybe it was just doing like heavy CPU stuff in the background that we didn't take account for. Yeah, now it's very fast. Weird color issues. So open up the terminal. Yeah, very fast. Yeah, no more usage. It's okay. So I guess we'll try to install Chromium. So I'm going to open up a new browser. Install Chromium on Ubuntu. Very easy. Let's do that. Copy paste doesn't seem to work. Just have to get install Chromium browser. To duplicate. That's weird. Maybe we don't have internet actually. We do have internet? Let's check it out. I'm not in love with copy and paste on Linux. Usually it works very bad. Just a bit. Configure -a. Seems to be happy now. Let's try to install again. Yes. Installing Chromium browser. That is a clone of Chrome. It's not a Chrome. It's not a Chrome clone, but Still not working. Subprocess. Cannot. Statue off install. First time I'm seeing this kind of statues. Package. libcube. It's not ready for configuration. That's really weird. Let's Google that. Firefox is for some reason no copy and paste are not working. We have the same error. Let's try run, assuming let's try the reinstall first. Still not working. Let's try the second solution. Dry run. I'm doing copy paste this way. I don't know why. So Ctrl-V, Ctrl-V isn't working. In your request to remove, it's not installed. We can try to nuke this one, I guess. libq. Try run. libq 55. Maybe an issue that is different than the one we are working on. Let's try to find this. Yeah, we should just do an upgrade. We have done an update, but let's upgrade the system. We're behind a lot actually, so let's do that. Okay, let's try again. All right, seems to have been working. So let's try to launch it from here. There's an I here. Yeah, we got it. So next, to do YouTube 4K video and try to play it. I guess because the resolution is not fully for 4K, it won't really matter, but we're going to try anyway. Yeah, it's working fine. Kind of laggy. It's kind of expected anyway to be in the virtual box, but it's working at least. Thanks. Close the app. Right. Anyway, this is it for Ubuntu. We'll try next Arch Linux.